Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin. For today, we're going to talk about trigonometric ratios. First, we have to identify the parts of our right triangle in order for us to have a better understanding of the trigonometric ratios. So here we have our right triangle, and we have two legs, and we have the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle, and it is also the side opposite the 90-degree angle. Now, we have here the angle, the theta. So, our trigonometric ratio will be based from the ratio of the sides of our right triangle according to the angle. So, we have here the angle. We have here. Yeah. So, this is our opposite side. And this is our adjacent side. Okay, so we will always base our opposite side and adjacent side with our angle. Okay, so for our trigo ratio, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. And we have the other three, which will be discussed later. But first, let's focus our attention with sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so sine theta will be the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse, while cosine theta is the ratio between adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Ayan. So, adjacent over hypotenuse. And last one, tangent theta is the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. So, this will be our formula for the trigo ratios. So, sine theta is opposite side over hypotenuse, cosine theta adjacent side over hypotenuse, and tangent theta is opposite side over adjacent side. So for you to remember this trigo ratio, we will use the acronym SOHCAHTOA, wherein sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So that will be our shortcut. SOHCAHTOA. Ayan. Ta-da! Alright. Okay. Let's have an example. So, let's have this right triangle. We're given all three sides. And then, let's find the trigo ratio of the angle theta. So, this is our angle. This is our angle theta. And we have the opposite side, which is 3. So, this is our opposite side. And we have our adjacent side. So, this will be our adjacent side. Now, this will be our hypotenuse. 5 will be our hypotenuse. Now, sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta, let's find their value by using the SOHCAHTOA. So, remember, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? So let's substitute our value for the opposite side and the hypotenuse. This will give us 3 over 5. And that will be our sine theta. Okay, next, let's proceed to cosine theta. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So A over H. So our A is 4 over H, which is 5. So 4 over 5. So this will be our cosine theta. And last one, tangent. So we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent. So let's substitute. So we have 3 over 4. And this will be our answer. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have an example. So, for example, we're asked to find the trigo ratio of angle theta. So, we will look for the sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta of this right triangle. So, first thing that we need to do is to identify the location of our angle. So, our angle is located here. So, this is our angle. And then, let's identify the parts of our right triangle. So, since this is our angle, the side opposite that angle will be our opposite side. So, this will be O, opposite side. Then, the side beside that will be our adjacent side. So, 24 will be our A. And last one, our hypotenuse it is the side opposite the 90-degree angle, or also known as the longest side. That will be our h. So 25 is the longest side, and the side opposite the 90-degree angle, that will be our hypotenuse. Alright, okay, now that we have our opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse, let's identify our trigo ratio using SOHCAHTOA. So first, let's find sine theta. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So O over H. So let's substitute. So O is 7, opposite side is 7, over our hypotenuse, which is 25. So our sine theta will be 7 over 25 units. Alright. Okay, next, let's find cosine theta. Okay, for cosine theta, okay, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. So A over H. Okay, so what is our adjacent side? That is 24 over our hypotenuse, which is 25, and that will be our cosine theta. So 24 over 25 units. Alright. Okay, and last one, let's identify our tangent theta. So tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So O over A. So let's identify. Let's substitute. O is 7 over A, which is 24. So 7 over 24 units. So our tangent theta will be 7 over 24 units. Ta-da! Alright. And that will be our final answers. Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.